Welcome to simplyeducate.me. I will explain to you the steps in regression analysis using Excel. Let's start with a dummy data. I labeled them independent and dependent variables. Now, find the tab labeled Data in Excel and click on it. Look at the farthest right of the menu. You will see the Data Analysis button. Click on it, select Regression, then hit OK. You will be presented with boxes where you will input the Y variable and the X variable to analyze. Put your cursor on each of the boxes and first select the dependent variable in Excel. Highlight all of it including the first row. Do the same for the independent variable. That data is automatically entered in the boxes. Check labels and leave constant as 0 and confidence level at default. Change New Worksheet to Output Range box by clicking on the radio button. Click OK. Choose where you want to display the results of the analysis. In this example, I selected row E1, labeled as $E, $1. Hit OK. We get the regression analysis output automatically. The important information to look for in this result are the adjusted R-square and significance of F. I highlight these two values in yellow. Let me interpret these results. Looking at the value of the R-square, which is 0.6655, we can say that the regression model explains 86.55% of the variation in dependent variable, indicating a strong relationship between X and Y. For the significance of the F value, that is, 187.7, with the significance of F value equal to 6.17 to the negative power of 14, we can confidently say that the regression model is statistically significant. This indicates that the independent variable reliably predicts the dependent variable in our example. Thank you for viewing this video. See you soon.